Just when I think I can put the camera away, something really cool shows up on the road. I love riding around the DR on a motorcycle.
Previously on Trio. Hey guys, last time on Trio in Big Seas we had a challenging 24-hour sail from Samana Bay to Luperon when we realized we had lost our starboard rudder.
34 degrees, the waves are throwing us around.
And with that, most of our boat control as well. But cool heads kept us safe and found us arriving in Luperon Bay to calm seas and a gorgeous morning. In Luperon Harbor, Popple greeted us with friendliness and warmth. And after a hearty breakfast meal with catamaran sail pending, we felt like we were home. This time on Trio, as many of you know, we love riding motorbikes and touring the gorgeous countryside of the Dominican Republic, and that's just what we're doing. We cross rivers and mud bogs and find ourselves in the company of a quaint but remote seaside village with a gorgeous stretch of beach where time just seems to stand still. So come along with Trio on another epic adventure.
So Cole and I are here in Luperon. Just came in the dinghy. We're bringing our upholstery to get repaired because it's looking kind of rough and it's quite thin material. We've got some really nice thick leather-like material that we're going to put on. And we rented bikes. They're up there on the side, and we're going to go for a ride and tour around Luperon. All right, let's do this. So here's our bikes. We're going to try and get our cushions there. And I've got these cool balsa wood airplanes, and I'm going to see if this guy over here, the commandant and the Navy here, if they've got a child, a kid, and we're going to give them a plane, because that's what we like to do.
Instructions right there.
You want to give it to him?
Sure.
I can make it for him.
I'll make it in front of him.
Yeah. So he's got his plane. He's going to throw it. ¡Oh, bueno!
Gracias, gracias.
De nada, de nada. Is that going to work?
I sure hope so.
You could ride like that all day. It's nice and comfy, huh? All right, let's go. We're in the Dominican Republic! Woohoo! Woohoo! Some of these villages that you ride through are just so quaint and so relaxed. It's so beautiful in a very simple kind of way. Little store out front of their house. All the houses are painted with bright colors. Somebody's donkey is tied up on the side of the road up here. And no traffic, it's just so chill. We're doing 35 kilometers an hour, which is about 18 miles an hour. And we're just going for a ride. Hola. Just a quiet country road. And the colors by the side of the road, bougainvillea, are just beautiful. Hola, amigo. Buenas tardes. Milk by the side of the road. Beautiful rolling hills. Every little town has these speed bumps. I just went over fast because I couldn't stop in time. This is El Castillo. This is where Columbus first landed his ship when he came to the Americas. So Cole and I stumbled across this hotel here at El Castillo. We just met a Canadian guy who's staying here for 5,200 pesos a month. That's about $125 US. There's a beautiful pool over there, it looks like. So we're just gonna sneak in and have a look around. And then there's the ocean. Look at this place. We should have a look at the beach, hey Cole?
Yeah, sure.
I would say you could drop the anchor in here.
Yeah, right?
It's so peaceful, isn't it?
Yeah.
Having a good time?
Yeah.
You ready to go?
Almost.
So we're driving through the countryside, just enjoying the ride. And you know you're in the Dominican countryside when you see this.
This isn't that convenient.
I don't know who's looking after these cows, but they're just wandering down the main road. No kidding. That's a big cow.
I love riding. That's a great bike.
Had a good time?
Yeah.
Let's get an ice cream.
Yeah, let's
Ice cream, right?
Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue, la casa de la bachata. La 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 la, la casa del merengue. La 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 la, y la casa de la bachata. Música, 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 te traigo música, 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 música de la República. Ajá.
made it. Hola. Yeah, me too. Here they go.
A few days later, Krista joined the boys for a trip to the little seaside village of CAMBIASOI. It's about 30 miles away and a bit of a challenging ride on these 150cc bikes.
Good job.
It took us a couple hours, but the journey is always the best part of the adventure.
A guy with a huge bushel of bananas on either side of his motorcycle. Right through the mud. Woo! Wasn't so bad though. Hola.
Awesome.
Who needs a truck?
Yeah, right beneath the truck.
I wonder if we'll be able to see the ocean when we get to the top of the hill.
Yeah, maybe.
Todos los sabores en paletas y barquillas. Chocolate, bizcocho, coco, fresa, uva, piña, naranja, manzana. manzana, choco coco, tamarindo y muchos sabores más.
Got it. Ready. Oh, that's a pig.
Are you gonna get that?
Yeah. It's not exactly the same as the swimming pigs in the Bahamas.
Eyes closed.
They must not have a keen sense of smell because
They have a very good sense of smell, pigs.
real.
They're very good, yeah, amazing.
Hola. The donkey's laughing at you. Hola. Hey, buddy. Hello. Move it or lose it, turkey. What a cool farm.
Oh, the Dominican Republic is so amazing.
So true. Oh, look. Hola.
Hola, amigo. Oh, sorry, the film is so bumpy,
Oh.
but it is bumpy
What's so fast for?
because I'm downhill. That's a cowboy.
Yeah. Not that way.
Going the wrong way. Hola, amigos. Hola. So we're coming up to the ocean. We're on the top of the hill. And the wind's blowing pretty good up here. It's just gorgeous. I think this is a building spot or something. Whoa, that's a lot of wind. It's pushing me around. Wow. We saw somebody out there, bare poles though. So, cool. Just don't stop in the middle, even if it gets deep. Keep going, okay? Because if water gets on your engine, it'll cool your engine and you'll stall right in the middle.
go fast?
No, don't go fast. Just don't stop.
Okay. I'm gonna watch you. Okay. And I'm gonna go through on this side, okay?
Yeah, me too. Oh, it's not very deep anyway.
Oh boy. I'll get off.
This we're not getting through.
Back up and go this way maybe.
You got it filming?
Yep.
Hola!
Hola.
soul on the beach of it. Okay. Mira.
Perón, pecado, 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 la persona.
Oh, okay.
Sí.
Entiendo, entiendo.
Okay.
So,
Sí.
No en diferente mundo.
oh, diferente.
Oh, sí, okay, entiendo.
Llevando pecado allá.
Right, he sells the fish
A
in
la
Lupron.
persona, en el pueblo. Pecado, pecado.
In town. He says he sells in town. He says pecado, pecado.
Sí.
So difficult to get here, but it's so beautiful, and we got it all to ourselves with just a few of the locals. We're gonna go and see the fish she's got for sale. Yeah, it's a cute village. It's Grandpa's house. Oh, there's the bikes. Oh, there's the freezer. Oh, there's the fish. This is the epitome of a beach village, that's for sure. We're going to a different beach. Oh, something bit me. There's a snake around your legs, Krista. Oh, what's that? Whoa! Anaconda. It's a little mucky.
Yeah.
That'll grab you.
Oh, I don't like that feeling.
Down it?
I've been down and I can go back up it.
That's right.
It's a little rough. Here we go. A lot rough. Look at these bikes. Oh, don't hit that wall. Oh,
Holy crap.
oh, the street bike. Oh!
Whoa! I'm just bouncing right off the seat, holding on with one hand, GoPro with the other.
Cole still behind us?
I don't know. Oh, look.
Yeah, you're doing good. I got him in the mirror. Doing good, Cole. You're doing good. That's the worst of that.
Woo! We made it!
Hola!
Hola! We came this way, right?
I don't remember this.
I don't remember this either. Well, we must have come this way. Right?
I don't remember this way.
Me neither. There was a fork in the road that way.
Maybe we should go back.
Yeah, wait, no, this is the way. This is the way.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. I think.
You think?
Yeah.
No, I don't think that's the way. We didn't go close to those ruts on the hill. Oh, well, we'll go to the top of the hill and see what we see.
Okay. Nope, I don't remember this.
No, this is not the way.
Shoot. Holy crap, that was
Whoa, look at the size of that. We gotta turn around, Cole, but look at the size of this bull. Or whatever it is.
Hey, buddy. Oh. Hello. Hey, baby. Hola.
Well, that's almost it for this episode of Trio. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out our website, triotravels.ca, for so much more.
Yeah, we need to go that
Really
way.
hard hill over nothing.
There's the river down there. We need to go back that way. That little old man is there. He's like, what are you tourists doing over here?
So it looks like we went the wrong way, up a big hill for nothing. So now we're gonna go and find the right way. Go. I'm not gonna film going down the hill. It's too hard to hold on.
Yeah, I don't blame you.
Okay, here's the river.
So wait, Dad.
Yeah, a little faster, yeah.
Here we go.
Match me. Do what I do.
Okay.
Hola.
Woohoo! Oh, I wasn't much before, but I am now. Thank you for that.
Hola. Hola. Hola.
Okay, here we are. This is LeBron. We met up with the oyster guy, and he's shucking oysters right
Yeah. Don't forget
here.
to subscribe. Okay.